When you want an easy-to-use Carnauba-based product that you want to use solo or in conjunction with your already waxed surfaces, try the Pinnacle Crystal Mist Carnauba Detail Spray. This spray will help extend the life of the existing wax that's on your surfaces, and it actually contains UV inhibitors and reflective polymers to create a super shiny, smooth surface. It's really simple to use. All you want to do is shake your bottle up, apply a light mist across the surface, spread it evenly with a clean microfiber towel, flip your towel to a dry side, and buff to that high gloss and shiny finish. It really smells great, almost like coconut, and is really easy to use, adding deep shine, high gloss, super smooth, silky finish. The Pinnacle Crystal Mist Carnauba Detail Spray. For this and information on other products, visit autogeek.com.